Good afternoon all my dear students. In previous video I am explained chapter number 2 working in Windows 7. In this video I am explaining what is component of window, how to start Windows Explorer, what is library, how we create library. Okay. Now next point is viewing files and folders. Now today I am explain working with the control panel. Okay. So how to open control panel. So I am click on start menu, then here control panel option is there. Okay, so in control panel your first option is configure date and time. So if you want to configure date and time, so here clock language region you have to select. First option is date and time. So if you want to change date and time, so you have to click here. If you want to select the date, then okay. If you don't want to change the date, click cancel. Okay, now next point है आपका, your next point is about font. So if you change font, edit, delete, so you have to click on appearance personalization. Your last option is font. Okay, so here you have to see all the font. If you want to change the font, so you have to change your font from here. If you delete the font, so you have to delete from font from here. Okay, see, delete. Okay, now your next point है changing the mouse setting. But in my laptop I don't have mouse, so I can't explain you this point. Okay, now next one है put your computer in sleep mode. So if I want to put my computer in sleep mode, so I click on system and security, then power option. So if you click on balance, so your computer is on sleep mode. If you click on power saver, so your computer is power mode. Okay, now next point है आपका installation program. Okay, so if you want to installation program, so you have to click on control panel, then programs, then programs and features. If you want to install any program or remove the program, so you have to do from here. Okay, now your next lesson is next point is troubleshooting. So if your mouse is not working, so what you are doing, so I am going to in control panel. In control panel I am click on easy to access, center.
Always scan this section.
Okay, so if I modify my mouse setting, so here make the mouse easier to use. Okay, so here large white, regular white, large white, I can change here from my mouse setting. Okay, if you want to change here, if I apply, so see my mouse pointer is changed. If I click here regular white, so my mouse pointer is normal way. Okay, now next point है using on screen keyboard. So if you using on screen keyboard, so you have to start menu. You have to use start menu, all programs, accessories and easy to access. Here on screen keyboard. If you want to use on screen keyboard, so you also use this keyboard for easy to typing. Okay, now next point है avoid pressing two keys together. So we are select again easy to access center, then
Always
make
this section.
keyboard easier. Okay, here also we have option of keyboard, make the keyboard easier to use. Okay, so here too much option is there. Turn on mouse keys, turn on sticky notes, टर्न ऑन टॉगल कीज मीन्स अगर हमें एक से ज़्यादा कीज को साथ में यूज़ करना है तो हम यहाँ पे टर्न ऑन कर सकते हैं. ओके, अगर हमें नहीं करना है तो हमें ये जो टिक है वो निकाल देनी है. ओके, नाउ your lesson is completed here. Which program I am explain you in Windows 7 you have to practice at your home if you have computer. Okay, thank you student.